to Money Origami Originals. Today we have the 3D model of the Great Pyramid of Giza. It's going to take $2 and it's pretty easy to fold. Let's go. So you're just going to line up the corners and make a pinch mark. So line it up really well. Right here and right here. Make a little pinch mark right here. Okay, we've got that. I fold this corner to the pinch mark. Keep that lined up. And bring this to perfect point. That's the corner of your pyramid on the bottom. So to line this up, this is the dollar equilateral triangle base. Make all your creases really sharp once you got them where you want them. And we're going to fold along this line, bringing this edge to here. Now I like to scoot the triangle that way to make the point nice and sharp here. Keep this lined up. Crease it on down. Now we're folding along this edge, bringing this edge up to here. Again, slide your triangle, make a nice point. Crease it down. Fold this edge up. Make nice sharp points. Open it up. Crease that down. Now just put that one aside. Make another one. So you're just making the exact same thing. Lining up these two. Fold this point to here. Make nice sharp points. Crease it down. Make nice sharp points. Just like the first one. We've got a nice point. Fold this over. Make a nice point. Over here. Open it up. Crease that down. Now get both pieces opened up like this with the point down. So here's the other one. Got the point down. Now if you want the little pyramids to show up, you stick the side with the eagle inside. And this one has the eagle right here. So now it's going to look like this. And we've just got to lock it together. So make sure it's nice and pushed together all the way down these sides. But really just on the side we're working on. So we're going to do this one first. Make sure that's all the way pushed in to the raw edge. Nice and tight. Don't let it slip. So put your finger right here. Open this up. Fold this in to that bottom line. It doesn't have to be exact. Fold this into to the bottom line. Oops. Okay. So now lift up the point. Don't let the paper slip right here, so keep your finger there. Lift up the point and fold this edge to the bottom line, the bottom crease. Go straight across from this corner to this corner. So we're folding it right to that line at the edge of the ruler there. Don't let it roll out. This is what holds it together. So that crease is a little bit rolled out on me. If it happens on yours, it's not gonna destroy it. Now put this line, this creased edge to the line as well. And then this is what locks it together, those two folds in the center. A little bit more, just like that. Now fold that back up. Crease that down really strong. So I'm gonna use this little battery. Okay, so now we've got that edge all locked together. I do the same thing on this side. Make sure that edge is all the way in. And make sure this is all the way down. Hold it right here, then put your finger in there to keep it from sliding. Fold this up to the bottom crease mark. Crease it down. This is definitely a better method right here. Fold that in. Lift the point. Fold this edge to the bottom crease mark. Coming all the way over to the corner right here. Crease that down. Now fold this raw edge to that crease mark too. This is really thick here, but that's what holds it together. See right there. Go all the way over, make a nice point here. Crease that down. Fold the bottom edge up right along that crease mark, the original crease mark. It's pretty thick now. Crease that down, and there's your pyramid. Now you can just straighten it up a little bit. Pull out these little curves a little bit. And there you are. I hope you enjoyed the 3D Great Pyramid of Giza. See you next time. Please subscribe for more cool models.